guys, welcome to my first YouTube tutorial. I am going to be showing you guys how we do a lovely color on our hooded lids. First, I'm going to zoom in to show you guys that my brows are a little bit bushy. I'm trying to let them grow back in. I'm going to go in first with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. I brush my brows upwards, you guys, just so I can kind of see the shape underneath. You know, I carved them out really good with that ebony color, just, you know, following the shape of my original brows. Once I'm done with that, I go in with the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45 just to help out with that shape and clean it up underneath with those hairs. I blend out with my finger, y'all. I just feel personally like it blends better than a brush, but every now and then I will use a brush for it. These are the finished brows here. I'm going in with that Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and please forgive if I pronounce this wrong, but I'm going to use Yijidi and Nana. I'm also going to use Faso later on in the tutorial. We're going to use that, oh my gosh, that Urban Decay Primer Potion all over our lids. Make sure you blend that out really good. And then we're going to go in with our Maybelline Color Tattoo, and that's going to be in the shade Tenacious Teal, just for our base color, y'all. And we're, again, going to go in with our fingers and blend that out nicely. We're going to use a nice blending brush. This one is from Sigma, and it's the E40. It's a tapered blending brush. And after we've blended that with Nana, we're going to go in with ColourPop's Coconut. And again, place that all over our lid with our phalanges. Here, you guys, I'm going to be using, this is a more dense blending brush, and this one is from Delium. Sorry, I don't have it with me, but I will try to leave it below. I am going in with that blue color from the Juvia's Place palette, Yijidi, and we're just blending that on the edges. After that, you guys, I'm going back in with that Sigma brush and Nana just to make sure our edges are nice and blended. We do not want harsh edges, y'all. And here I'm using, it's a little brush from e.l.f. It's a contour brush, y'all, but to me it's like a pencil brush, just the edges aren't pointed. And this is just a clean brush, and I'm going in again to help blend those edges out. Important, 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 y'all. Edges, girl. Yes, hello. Okay, and here, this is where we're going in with Faso and just packing that in on the in our tear duct. This is that lovely glitter, y'all, from Bellaterra in the color C. And we're just spraying our flat concealer brush with Fix Plus or whatever you may have to pack that glitter on. Y'all, this glitter it's just to add a little bit of a shimmer, not, you know, any like super packed. And these lashes are from my beauty supply store. They are like a wispy lash, but a little bit longer. And I'm going to apply those with the Callus glue. Blow, 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 girl. And I do use a lash applicator tool just to assist me, because I do have, you know, my fingers are a little chubby. So I do, I can't, it's harder for me, there we go, to place the lashes on my lid with my fingers. I'm going to use the They're Real lash, mascara, I'm sorry, y'all, just to blend in my regular lashes with the falsies. And here I'm going in with that same concealer in NC45 and the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in Deep to contour. Here, y'all, I'm packing on the Laura Mercier translucent powder on a wet sponge. And I'm applying my eyeliner, my mascara, little sample trial from MAC. And I did also go in with that blue color again under the eyes. And here, you guys, I am using my Black Radiance contour powder, which I've Y'all, I love this powder. I can't remember if it's black coffee or ebony that I used in this one. I'll have to go in and I will leave the link below. Spraying my face just to re-moisturize it with Pixie's Makeup Fixing Mist. I will be using Dose of Colors Gold is the New Black for my Glow Honey, and my Sigma tapered highlighter brush F35. Now, y'all, 97% of the time, the color that I use on my cheeks, I will use on my brow, my nose, above my eyebrows, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. And to set all of that, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And you guys, look, I had so much trouble picking a lip for this. As y'all can see, I went through, I believe, 3 or 4 different colors. I even compared the Dose of Colors brown with the Colored Rain's brown. And I eventually ended up sticking it out with the Colored Rain brown, as you guys can see here with my struggles. And here is the finished product on our hooded lids, y'all. Ooh, look at them, girl. Look at them. If you guys enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on IG, honey. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.